In this lecture, we will discuss about cyanohydrine formation. So hydrogen cyanide adds to the carbonyl group of aldehyde and most of the ketone. And final product is cyanohydrine. A general reaction can be shown something like this. So this is cyanohydrine. Ketone in which carbonyl group is sterically hindered does not give this reaction. Let us discuss mechanism for this reaction. So this is a nucleophilic addition reaction we have. First HCN breaks to give H plus and Cn minus. HCN is a weak acid. Cn minus attacks on carbonylic carbon. This is a reversible reaction. All steps are reversible. Next step, we can take a proton from HCN. So this H plus is coming from HCN. Again a step is reversible. So this is cyanohydrine. This reaction is faster if we use free Cn minus, and free Cn minus can be generated. Either we can add KCN into the solution or we can add some base into the solution, and this base will react with HCN to give free Cn minus. In the presence of only HCN, reaction is slow. And this is because HCN is a weak acid, so concentration of free Cn minus is very low. Now acidic hydrolysis of cyanohydrine gives alpha hydroxy acid, or if it is heated it will give alpha beta unsaturated acid. For example, this reacts with HCN to give cyanohydrine, and this cyanohydrine is hydrolyzed. This will give acid. So this is alpha hydroxy acid, because at alpha position we have OH group. If it is treated with concentrated H2SO4 and heat is also there, it will first form acid and it will be dehydrated to give alpha beta unsaturated acid. So this step is dehydration of alcohol. Reduction of cyanohydrine gives beta amino alcohol, and this is generally done with lithium aluminum hydride. So if this is treated with lithium aluminum hydride, so this is beta amino alcohol, because at beta position we have amino group. Now let us try this problem. How will you do the following conversion? Now we can use cyanohydrine formation in this case. Once cyanohydrine is formed, it can be treated with lithium aluminum hydride to give beta amino alcohol. Let us try this problem. So we have been given acetaldehyde and we have to prepare lactic acid. A structure of lactic acid is given, so we can use cyanohydrine formation. So let us first form cyanohydrine using HCN. Now this carbon is a chiral carbon. Hydrolysis of cyanohydrine will give acid. So this is lactic acid. Now B part of the question says which lactic acid we will get, which isomer we will get. So in this case Cn minus can attack from top as well as from bottom. So we will get both isomer. And top attack and bottom attack are equally likely. So we will have a racemic mixture. So we can show the same using feature projection formula. So this is about cyanohydrine formation.